Well, it's the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, which triggered a rally at Dalal Street. The good news is that the rally may last, the bullish momentum may well sustain. Nifty's rally could keep on going on backdrop of the four big positive catalysts. 1. India's healthy growth inflation dynamics. 2. Robust monsoon boosting rural demand expectations. 3. GST rationalization. 4. Dovish RBI stance supporting growth-friendly sentiment. 5. Global market resilience. Long story short, our call of the day which suggests the rally could just keep on going higher. Bottom line, Nifty and Bank Nifty's remarkable uptrend shall continue to chase bullish momentum amidst liquidity-fueled optimism. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1441 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 453 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive rebound play with buy on dips as preferred strategy. F&O October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has tumbled towards 10.05 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading near the 88.86 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.09. Nifty outlook. Nifty bulls will now aim to reclaim the psychological important 25,500 mark with an interweek intermonth perspective. Long live the bull. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 25,108. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,950 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,050 and 25,250. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81927. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 80,900 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,141 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,600 and 82,600. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 56,239. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 55,800 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 57,630 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,900 and 56,900. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Keeping the risk-on mood alive at Dalal Street, a record-setting session at Wall Street in overnight trade where the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 scaled fresh all-time high. The only headwind as of now is political stalemate in Washington, the federal government shutdown which has extended into 7th straight day. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Brigade Enterprises, plus 3.6%, advanced after the company entered into a joint development agreement, JDA, for a 6.6-acre land parcel in West Chennai with an estimated gross development value, GDV, of 1,000 crore rupees. 2. Dilip Buildcon, plus 0.12%, edged higher after its joint venture, DBL Apple, received a letter of acceptance, LOA, from the Madhya Pradesh Jal Nigam, MPJNM, for a 100 megawatt solar project in Madhya Pradesh. Dilip Buildcon holds a 74% stake, while Apple owns 26%. 3. LTI Mindtree, minus 0.21%, consolidated after announcing its largest ever strategic deal, a multi-year partnership with a global media and entertainment major. The deal is expected to strengthen the company's position in the digital transformation space. 4. Indraprasth Gas, plus 6%. IGL surged after reports suggested the tax on gas sourced from Gujarat may be reduced to 2% from 15%, driving optimism around margin improvement. 5. Vodafone Idea, plus 9%, zoomed higher on hopes of Agar relief ahead of the British Prime Minister's visit to India, fueling fresh momentum in the stock. 6. Railway stocks are on the spotlight after the Government of India approved 4 new mega railway projects worth 24,634 crore rupees. The projects involve multi-tracking and capacity expansion across Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, spanning nearly 894 kilometers across 18 districts. RVNL plus 2.7%, RailTel plus 3.73%, and Ercon plus 6.91%.